everybody. My name is Esmeralda Lopez, and I'm going to talk about my major, which is Biobusiness Engineering. First I'm going to introduce the definition of biotechnology and its differences with biobusiness. Then I am going to mention the four areas of biotechnology and biobusiness. After that, I'm going to say which area did I which area I found the most challenging one, and which area I found as my favorite. And finally, I'm going to mention some companies that are related with my favorite area. So, as I said, I'll start by giving the concept of biotechnology. Biotechnology is the use of biological systems or living organisms to develop or make new products. When you're talking about biotechnology, you can be talking about beer, wine, bread, or plants that are genetically modified, because in all of them you use living organisms to the creation process. So if you use, yeast the for the creation of a bread, you use biotechnology. You just have to use a living organism. Then let's move on to biobusiness engineering. Biobusiness engineering is the combination of biotechnology plus business, and its study program is 75% similar to biotechnology's one. So the percentage that is about business in biobusiness engineering helps the student to create and manage his own company. For example, here are some subjects related with business. We have entrepreneurship, marketing and creativity, innovation, markets and technological development, financial information analysis, negotiation techniques and international trade, perishable products logistics. We'll talk about the four areas of biotechnology. We have the blue, the red, the green, and the white areas. The blue area is also called marine biotechnology, and it has a marine and aquatic approach. So therefore, its principal applications are the use of marine animals or living organisms to create new medicines, or the genetic manipulation of a species, or something like that. And then the red area is about, it works in the medical field. So here you can develop a new genic therapy or a cell therapy, or create new drugs. And then the white area is about industrial processes, and this means that it's directed on the creation of new compounds and new fuels. It's about new ways of making fuels and energy, or for example, the elimination of oil spill in the ocean. And finally, there's the green area. This area is about agricultural sector, and it's about plants. Here, you can create a plant that is resistant and capable of producing our own pesticides. Then the red biotechnology, I found it as the most challenging one, because it is about the medical field, and you have to study very complex subjects such as genetics or molecular biology, and you have to do exhaustive research and experiments before creating something that you will use on people, because you work with people's health. So I think that is the most challenging one. However, it has the largest potential in the market, as it can be seen in the statistics of NASDAQ, National Association of Security Dealers, successful companies in biotechnology in the USA. And well, we can see here that most of them are related with the red area. They are, for example, genetic technologies, LTD-sponsored ADR, cellular biomedicine, neurochemical sciences, and well, most of them are related with this area. Well, my favorite one is the blue area, but I think that is the less profitable in Mexico because we don't invest in research and we have a lot of natural resources, but we don't know how to use them. And we don't have companies that are focused on that sector. But in other countries, they have developed research in that area. For example, Marine and Research Ltd in Romania. And there are some companies specialized in this area, but they are in another countries. For example, in USA we have two, and in Italy there's another one, in France, in Norway, in Fiji, and then other one in Norway. For example, the Ocean Research and Conservation Association is one of the most important companies in the world that dedicates to ocean research. But it's an organization, it's not a company because it receives donations. So it is important, but it's not a company, so it's not like very profitable. But the one I mentioned before, Marine Research Ltd in Romania, it is a company because it provides equipment to ocean research. It provides many services such as habitat mapping, underwater imagery, seek and rescue operations, and chemical analysis. So this company can work in any part of the world, so it is internationally competitive, and it helps to do ocean research. So, well, to sum up everything, I think that biobusiness engineering, it is a profitable major because you know about biotechnology, but you also know how to create a business and how to manage it. So if you put this together, it's a complete career. So I like it a lot because of this. And personally, I like more the scientific side, but I know that I need to know the other side. So, I like this a lot. And I prefer the blue area, but I have the problem that we don't have that on Mexico. And I would like to help to do more research here. But, well, I would like to work here in Mexico. I would like to go abroad, but, well, maybe later I'll focus on another area. I'm not sure yet. That's all. Is there any questions? No? Oh, thanks.